You should always keep a sponge in the fridge. It helps to reduce humidity. A smart way to remove the skin from salmon. Easy. Here's a hack for dealing with sliced vegetables. No mess. Want a quick lunch? Try this salad in a jar. Perfect when prepared the day before. Bon appetit! Don't know where to put the ladle? Do this! Handy! If you like DIY decorations, you have to try this idea. Make some icing sugar fettuccine to create a super original, unique cake. Wow! Here's the easiest way to poach an egg you'll ever find. Perfectly cooked. What a mess! Before reorganizing the drawer, give it a good clean. To fold up tea towels, try this method. Wonderfully neat. Scratched wood? The oil contained in walnuts softens and repairs scratches in a jiffy. Dirty rolling pin? Use rock salt as an all-natural scrub. Removes even the most stubborn grime.